Welcome to Learn English Daily.
Easy way to learn English. Story, conversation and practice.
Part 1.
Warm up and greetings. 5 common greetings and replies.
Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
I'm Athera.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See you later.
See you.
Part 2.
Story with learning. Narrate in simple English. A day at the market. Yesterday I went to the market. I wanted to buy some vegetables and fruits. The market was busy. I met a friendly shopkeeper. He asked, "What do you want to buy?" I said, "I want tomatoes, onions and bananas." He smiled and gave me fresh vegetables. I paid the money and said, "Thank you."
Part 3.
Real-life conversation.
Scene 1.
At a shop. How much is this?
It's 150 rupees.
Can you give me a discount?
Okay, I will give it for 140. Scene 2.
At a restaurant.
Can I have the menu?
Sure, here it is.
I would like chicken rice.
Okay, anything else? Scene 3.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
It's near the temple.
Part 4.
Question and answer.
Question. Do you speak English?
1. Yes, a little. 2. Not very well.
What is your name?
1. My name is Athera. 2. I'm Athera.
Where are you from?
I'm from Sri Lanka.
Part 5.
Speaking challenge.
Repeat after me.
I'm learning English.
I like to travel.
Please help me.
Can you speak slowly?
I will come tomorrow.
This is my friend.
I'm happy today.
Where is the station?
Thank you very much.
See you tomorrow.
Practice every day and you will speak English with confidence.